Now the wind is right.
Take off flap.
I'm waiting. I'm waiting for Frankie. Holy smoke. Yeah, you're good.
Are
you landing, Ran? Alright, we'll take off. The wind is perfect.
Perfect. I'm glad I waited.
No sun. Or you step back and now you can't find your sunspot.
So we'll wait for him to land, then we do our own crazy thing. He says he's gonna land after 2 hours.
Time and fluid.
Check it up!
Gear up. Flaps up.
He might still be coming this way though. Just pull up. I'm on you, young blood. It's all us.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
That's cool. I'm weaving around just because I'm trying to get a better angle, so don't worry about me. Do your thing. It's hard to judge distance.
Alright, let's set the wings.
Speed mode.
Flight pack 22.3 volts, temperature 75 degrees Fahrenheit.
Wings are swept, baby. This thing hauls.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Holy moly.
Purposely overshot you, just to look more dramatic.
Oh, yeah. That looks cool. That looks cool.
It worketh. I had to throttle back so I wouldn't blow past you. I still got plenty of time. I got another over a minute to go.
4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Oh yeah. Top Gun, baby.
Yeah, MiG-28.
This is what they did at Fallon and Miramar for a while with these planes.
Alright, we do a nice pass together, 100%.
Okay, don't ignore me because I'm going to be speeding up. but I'm gonna come alongside you.
93 degrees.
I'll be closest to us. And you still ended up going ahead.
Nice! Holy cow, that thing is fast!
Well, I'm right there with you. I had to catch up because I was on the outside.
Dude, that was crazy.
F-5 is quick, man.
It is really fast, dude.
1 minute over.
Nice!
Shit, I passed you. Alright, I'm gonna come zooming past you. If anything, do a slow pass.
Woo! Hee-hee!
99 degrees Fahrenheit.
Two minutes over.
Alright, I'm coming in.
Gear down.
Woo, mama! Oh, shit, you want to see this one when I get down? Oh, mama down. Shit. Woo! It died.
No way.
Yep. I'm over. Woo-wee! I don't know if it was over temp or I hit cutoff, but I lost power on the downwind leg, so I had to turn and dive